Hi! In this demo, we'll set up your 2D game project to test out another C# script in the Unity game engine. To start, make sure that your 2D game project is open in Unity. We'll need to remove any components we had from our last demo so we can have a clean start for this assignment. I remember we put a script on our main camera, so let's select that. We can see in our camera's components that it still has the console debug script. We could remove this script component by clicking the three dots to the top right of the component, then selecting Remove Component. Now that we know our previous code won't run anymore, let's work on adding our new code. Rather than attaching any new scripts to our camera, let's instead create a square sprite to act as sort of our player character and run our code. First, right-click in the hierarchy, then select 2D Object, Sprites, Square. For now, we can just leave this new sprite called Square. We can see our square has been created, but it's sort of being visually covered up by the other objects in our scene, the main camera and global light 2D. We can hide those objects from our view by hovering over them in the hierarchy, then clicking the little eye to the left of them. This will hide them within the scene view. Keep in mind, though, that objects hidden in this way will still function in our game. They will just be invisible as we edit. I'm now going to select our square in order to make a few adjustments to it. Over here in the transform component of the inspector window, let's reset our square's position just so it's in the center of the grid for easy editing. Now, I'm going to take the spritebehavior.cs script file that I downloaded previously from the CodeHS editor and add that to my scripts folder in the project window. Remember, we do this by dragging the file into the folder we want it to be in. If you haven't downloaded the sprite behavior file yet, be sure to do that from the exercise in the CodeHS editor. Now, with the square sprite selected, we can drag the sprite behavior script onto our object in the inspector. And our square now has the sprite behavior script component. To make our sprite show up a little more clearly when playing the game, we can change the color of it. To do so, we can simply click the box here next to Color, which will open up the color picker window. Feel free to set this to whatever color you want, but I'm going to do orange because orange is my favorite color. Once you've selected a color, close the color picker window. Now that our square sprite has the sprite behavior script component and is a more visible color, we're ready to test this out. I'm not going to demonstrate what the script does in this video, because you'll have the opportunity to do that on your own. Now it's your turn to predict the script's functionality and then test it out yourself. Good luck.